Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HMNY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been doing this analysis on a pretty routine basis. In fact, did it yesterday. So that is where these red and green line annotations are coming from. But want to get things updated here as the chart on the day made a very solid move. And not only on the day, but again, each of these represents 30 minutes. And I bring that up again because you see down here, the final 30 minutes of the day, nice surge in volume, and then the price acted very nicely with it. So definitely some good things going on here. So let's map out and get some levels updated here. First update that needs to be made comes from a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, I've been talking about right around the 250 mark, give or take, as resistance, but now with the price up above it, that would be the ideal level of support that you would want to see hold going forward. Now, don't get me wrong, though, if the price falls below this area, does that mean the entire chart's ruined? I'm not saying that at all, but just preferably speaking, the price is currently, it's broken out of the channel. Now it's just a matter of, well, let's see if the price can, build upon breaking out of the channel. And the first step in building upon it, well, is just simply not going back to where it was. So by staying above that green line, that's just kind of a good step in the right direction in terms of building upon this current breakout. If the price does fall below it, though, you still have a couple other areas of support. You have the purple line right here, which is that famous 50-period simple moving average. And then also down here at 235, which for those of you longer time viewers, you've heard me talk about 235 over and over again, but I'm not going to beat that dead horse because right now it's not even necessarily relevant given that the price is broken to the upside of the channel. So if this gets some more follow through, where are some of these next potential areas of resistance? As far as where this could head, I guess we'll just have to like that. I realize that throws off the proportions, but it is what it is. Next overall area of resistance up there at about $2.65, and this comes from these previous highs from back here several days ago. But anyway, slice it. The price continues to slowly move its way upwards, but a very solid final 30 minutes today on the breakout. So we'll see if this is the start of something bigger or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.